Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to create a sleek gift card screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If you're working on an e-commerce, retail or lifestyle app, this screen is a game changer. So, let's get to it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Take your time to pause the video whenever you need to check something closely. So, the gift card screen. This is where users select the gift amount, enter the recipient's name and email, and include features like scheduled delivery of the gift card. This screen isn't just a simple form, it's a key touchpoint that makes sending gifts easy, fun, and memorable. Getting this right can significantly enhance user satisfaction and keep people coming back to your app. Now, how do we design a screen this feature-rich without overcomplicating things? That's where the Ionic Design Kit comes in. It comes packed with ready-to-use components straight from the Ionic framework, so designers can effortlessly drag and drop elements into place. Developers don't need to start from scratch either. Everything is clean, pre-built, and easy to implement. This makes the whole process faster, more efficient, and allows you to focus on creating a seamless, enjoyable user experience. And don't worry, all the code snippets are available on our website so you can follow along step by step. Want to take your Ionic projects to the next level? The Ionic Design Kit makes designing and developing intuitive interfaces faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more practical guides. Catch you in the next video.